Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems related with area. Okay. So my dear student, in this question first we will discuss about what is the meaning of area. Area means area of a figure is the amount of space occupied by it. Area of a figure is the amount of space occupied by it, or in other words, space occupied by any object is called its area. In this question first we will discuss about what is the formula for area of rectangle. Okay, so my dear student, suppose ABCD is rectangle and length of the given rectangle is 10 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So now look here, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. 10 4 is 40. 40 square centimeter is area of the given rectangle. 40 square centimeter is area of the given rectangle. Okay. Now we will discuss about what is the formula for area of square. As you know very well, area of square will be side into side. In this square PQRS, the side is 20 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side into side, 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter. After multiplication, what will you get? That is 400 square centimeter. 400 square centimeter is area of the given square. Okay. So my dear student, please keep in mind, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth and area of square is equal to side into side. Okay. Now we will discuss about some problems from exercise. Your first question is find the area of the following square oblique rectangle. The meaning is in these questions there are some questions depend on the rectangle and some question depend on the square. Okay, in this question length is 18 meter and breadth is 13 meter. Okay, in this question we will find out area of rectangle and as you know very well, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So now look here, length is 18 and breadth is 13. After multiplication you will get 3 8 ja 24, this is 4, carry over is 2, 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 2 5, 8 1 ja 8 and 1 1 ja 1. After adding you will get 4 plus 0, it will give to you 4, 5 plus 8 13, this is 3, carry over is 1, 1 plus 1 2. Answer is 234. 234 square centimeter is area of the rectangle. Okay, my dear student, your other question is that is side is 28 centimeter. In this question we will find out area of square is equal to side into side. So 28 into 28. Now look here, what is the product? 8 8 is 64, this is 4, carry over is 6, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 6 22. Okay, 2 8 is 16, this is 6, carry over is 1, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5. After adding the 4 plus 0, it will give to you 4, 2 plus 6 8, 2 plus 5 7. Answer is 784 square centimeter. 784 square centimeter is area of the square. Okay, again side is 31 meter. Area of square will be side into side, so 31 into 31. Now look here, 31 into 31, 1 1 ja 1, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, this is 1, 3 plus 3 6 and this is 9. Okay, answer is 961. 961 square meter is area of square. Okay, your next question is length is 41 centimeter and breadth is 32 centimeter. In this question we will find out area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now look here, 41 into 32. What is the product? 41 into 32. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. After adding you will get 2 plus 0, it will give to you 2. 8 plus 3 11, this is 1, carry over is 1, 1 plus 2 3, and this is 1. Answer is 1312. 1312 square centimeter is area of rectangle. Okay, this is the required answer for your required question. My dear student, your next question is find the unknown side. Find the unknown side of each rectangle. Then find its parameter. Suppose the question is saying this is a rectangle and area of given rectangle is 96 square meter. Now in this question breadth is given, that is 8 meter. In this question we will find out length. So we will apply the area of rectangle. That's why this question depend on the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is will give to you length into breadth. Area is 96 is equal to length and breadth is 8. Okay, how we will find out length? Length is equal to 96 upon 8. When 96 divided by 8, it will give to you 12 meter. 12 meter is length of the given rectangle. 12 meter is length of the given rectangle. Okay, now we will find out parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Length is 12, breadth is 8. 12 plus 8 20, 22 is 40. 40 meter is parameter of the given rectangle. Okay, now my dear student, your next question is this is rectangle and area of the given rectangle is 63 square centimeter. In this question length is given, that is 9 centimeter. So we will find out the breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle is 63 is equal to length is 9 into breadth. How we will find out breadth? So for finding breadth we will 63 divided by 9. It will give to you 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter is breadth of the rectangle. Okay, 7 centimeter is breadth of the rectangle. Again we will find out parameter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Length is 9 centimeter, breadth is 7 centimeter. 9 plus 7 16, 16 to the 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter is parameter of the given rectangle. Okay, 32 centimeter is parameter of the given rectangle. Okay, my dear students, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that all these questions will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.